Hello, parents. This is Miss Jerome-Severe. I hope everybody is okay. This video is to help your child learn about zoo animals. I am in Florida, so there's a zoo in Sanford. There's a zoo in Sanford. So if you're in Florida, stop by the zoo in Sanford. There's also one in Miami. In the Miami area, I went, but this one you have to drive. You stay in your car and you get to see the animals. So do your research and go look for some animals. A zoo in Miami. I'm also from New York, so you could take a trip to New York and go to the Bronx Zoo and take your child to visit a zoo. You won't regret it. Allô, parents, moi, c'est Mrs.Jerome-Severe qui vient avec une autre vidéo. Quand ti moun yo pral apprendre animal qui dans zoo. So, moi dans Floride. So, sou besoin menen ti moun yo dans zoo, côté pour yo animal, ou donc aller dans Sanford Zoo. Dans Sanford Zoo, te gon fwa mte ale Miami, te gon zoo Miami, men se nan machin nou pou rete pou animal yo. Et puis tout, mwen soti New York, ou don wap fon trip spesyal, ale New York on fwa, puis mene ti moun yo nan Bronx Zoo pou yo fe experience zoo animals. All right, boys and girls, so you guys are going to learn about zoo animals. So whenever you get to go on a trip with your mom and dad, you be like, oh, I learned that on the video. Yes. So, ti moun, so mi jè wan bal fè video pou nou, animal ki habite nan zoo. So, kon sa, lo ale nan zoo an, ou ka di, yes, Miss Jerome, te montre m sa nan video la. Ok, an nou ale. All right, this is a zebra. This is a zebra. Let's see what can we describe the zebra. The zebras have black and white stripe. You see the pattern, you see the lines, that's called stripe. They eat grass, they eat shrubs. Shrubs are short trees. They eat leaves and they eat barks from the tree. So, question for you. What animals do the zebras remind you of? Think what animals. Look at the face of the zebra, the body of the zebra. What does it remind you of? Yes, if you say a horse, you are absolutely correct. They are from the horse family. Yes. The next animal is an elephant. Elephant. So let's see, what do we know about elephant? African elephants, yes, they are different kind of elephants. This one is an African elephant. African elephants have good memory. They like to eat grass, fruits, leaves, twigs, and barks. And their ears could grow up to 5 feet long. So their ears can be very big. All right, question I have for you. Can you name something or someone that has good memory like an elephant? What has good memory like an elephant? Yes, you kids have good memory like an elephant. Don't you remember how to play your video games? Yes. So we human beings, yes, we are humans, that we have good memory. We always remember things. The next animal is a giraffe. What is that? A giraffe. Yes, let's see what's special about giraffes. Giraffes do not sleep much. Yes, they do not sleep much. They love to eat bushy and woody plants. Giraffe have long necks and they could grow up to 6 feet tall, feet long. I mean, they're really tall. So let's see what is a 6 feet tall giraffe might look like. So this is a person, and this is a 6 feet tall giraffe. Wow, look how tall is the giraffe. Look at his neck. This is a tiger. This is a tiger. Let's see what's special about a tiger. A tiger can weigh up to 450 pounds. Tiger like to eat, and tiger likes to hunt their own food. They eat their own food, and they eat meat. Okay, they like to eat meat. Their teeth can be up to 4 feet long. So, do you think their teeth are short or do you think it's long? So let's go see. So when you see a tiger's teeth is the same length as the ruler up to number 4. That's how long it is. So it's not a short teeth. It's longer than your finger. So their teeth are going to be longer than your finger. So this is a lion. A lion. What animal is that? Lion. Let's see. Lion can live in group of 10 and 15 animals that call pride. So a group of lions call pride. So they live in group like a family. Lions can run up to 50 miles per hour. So let's look at a lion. So this is a pride. So they like to live in groups. They take care of each other and they look out for each other. What does that remind you of? Does your mommy and dad, do you live with your mommy and daddy? Yes. Do they take care of you? Yes. So this is a group of lion we call a pride. This is a cheetah. Cheetah. What animal does cheetah remind you of? Look at the face. Look at the face. Let's go learn about cheetah. Cheetah have long, flat tails that help them keep their balance when they are running. So they are pretty good runners. So their tails help them stay balanced. That means they don't fall. They like to eat meat. They are meat eaters. And cheetah, did you know cheetah can roar? What animals that roar? A bear roar and they growl. What animals that growl? A dog. And they even bark. What animals that bark? Yes, they bark like a dog. So that's a cheetah for you. So there you go. Look at that cheetah running. They are pretty fast runners. This is a monkey. Monkey. Let's see. What do you notice about monkeys? Monkeys are known for their playful behavior. They love to play. They eat many things. They like to eat seeds. They like to eat flowers. They like to eat fruits. They like to eat leaves. Monkeys, you see the baby monkey? When he is 3 or 4 years old, he is considered to be an adult. He does not live with his mom and dad when he's 3 or 4 years old. So if you have a 3 years old sister, do they live on their own? If you have a 4 year old sister or brother, do they live on their own? Do they live in their own house and look for their own food? Nope. But a monkey that's 4 years old, they are an adult at 3 and 4 years old. So this is the monkey eating his favorite. What did they say monkeys like to eat? Yes, fruits. And they are different kind of monkeys too. Snake. This is a snake. Let's learn about snake. Snakes are reptiles. Yes, they are reptiles and they shed their skin. Shed their skin mean that they are still alive and they come out of their skin. They have new skin all the time. They are meat eaters, so they like to eat meat. So they like to eat lizard because lizard is meat. They like to eat fish because fish is meat. They like to eat insects because insects are meat. They like to eat rats. They even eat other snakes because a snake is a meat. Snakes use their tongue to smell their food. Yes, they use their tongue to smell around them. Do you use your tongue to smell? All right, so this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like when the snake is shedding. So you see his skin is coming off. He's coming out of his old skin, and that new orange skin, that's his new skin. Yes. So only snakes share they that have new skins. This is a flamingo. What do you think a flamingo is? What do you think a flamingo is? Looking at it. Yes, if you say a flamingo is a bird, yes. Flamingos can grow over 5 feet tall. So over 5 feet tall, so they are as tall, they are taller than me. Or they might be taller than your mom. If your mom is 5 feet tall, they eat algae, they eat shrimp, they eat bugs like insects, and they eat plants. Their legs are typically longer than their body. Do you know how flamingo got their pink colors? I was reading that. They got their pink colors from eating a lot of shrimp. Yes. Yes, they get their colors from eating a lot of shrimp. So look at their legs. Their legs are longer than their whole body. That is one beautiful bird. Panda. This is a panda. What do you know about panda? Have you seen one before? Let's learn about panda. Pandas will eat small animals and fish. But 99% of their diet, they really like to eat bamboo. So they like to eat bamboo. They eat small animals like maybe small fish or little ants. That's what they mean by animals. They don't eat like bears. They don't eat like other big animals. They eat like small animals and they small fish, but they really eat bamboos. Unlike other bears, other bears hibernate. Pandas do not hibernate. They do not sleep in the winter. They stay up all winter long. And this is the plant they like to eat. They eat the bamboo, and also they don't drink water. So they get their water from the bamboo leaves, from the bamboo plants. So that's panda. That's what they eat. This is a hippo. Maybe you might call it a hippopotamus. Maybe you might call it a hippo. What do you know about hippo? Have you seen a hippo? Have you seen a hippo in person? I have not. So hippos are the third largest mammal in the world. They are the native to Africa. So they are from Africa. You will not find them in Florida. They're not from Florida. Maybe if you find one in Florida, maybe because they put them in the zoo and they providing an environment for them to be in Florida. But they're really not from Florida. You will not find them in New York. You will not find them in Savannah, Georgia. You would not find them in because they're not. You would not find them in America because they cannot survive in America. We need places for them to survive. They're herbivores. Herbivores are animals that only eat plants. So they only eat plants. They don't eat animals. They only eat plants. So this is where a hippo is from. Yes, this is Africa. This is the continent where they are from. And herbivores are animals that only eat plants. So hippos only eat plants. So, boys and girls, that is it. So, we watched the video and send me a memo. What did you like about the video about zoo animals Did you learn anything? Tell mommy, send me a memo. Did you learn anything about zoo animals? What was your favorite animal that you like? Okay, so parents, thank you, and rewatch the video with your child so they could learn information about zoo animals. This will help them build their vocabulary skills. Parents, make sure nou gade video avec ti moun yo, sa apede yo kon vocabulaire yo pi bien. Okay? So voye ti informasyon, ti moun yo voye pou mwen kon sa pou mka cite non yo nan next video. So guys, make sure your mommy send me your information so I could give you a shout out to my next video. Okay, until next time, bye. Okay, à bientôt parents. Merci. Thank you for watching. Until next time.